Hello YouTube, Ash here, and welcome to another episode of Ash Talks. Today I'm doing a trailer reaction. Now I know I haven't uploaded quite a lot of videos lately, but I've been at work. But I know you guys don't care about that, you care about content. Joking aside, a new trailer for Sonic the Hedgehog. Well, the first trailer for Sonic the Hedgehog just dropped. I'm going to try and react to it. Well, I'm not going to try, I'm going to react to it. I haven't seen it, but I've already seen lots of bad comments about it. Yeah, is it gonna be another crappy video game adaptation? Alright, let's get into it and see what it is. I actually had this in my top 10 of 2019 to watch, so yeah, probably gonna regret that. But anyway, let's, oops, hit the camera. And in 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, well, I don't know what that was. Go. Well, there's Sonic. There's, ooh, sparkly. Oh, the rings, that's nice, I like that. Sega! What the hell? Oh, that looks bad. Gotta go fast. Well, that's cool.
Knocked down power across the entire Pacific Northwest. This needs someone who can figure out exactly what we're dealing with. You're not suggesting who I think you're suggesting. We have no choice.
What the hell?
What the? Are you in charge here? Yes, I am. Nope. I'm wrong. I'm in charge. Allow me to clarify. In a sequentially ranked hierarchy based on level of critical importance, the disparity between us is too vast to quantify. Agent Stuff. The doctor thinks you're basic. Listen, pal, I don't know if you realize I'm sorry, Major. What was your name? Benny. Nobody cares!
Jim Carrey trying to be Jim Carrey from the earlier years.
Meow.
Ooh.
Come on. Okay, pal, I want answers. Basically, it looks like I'm gonna have to save your planet.
That's kind of cool.
Oh, is that all you got? No, but thank you for asking. Whatever this creature is, our job is to secure it, neutralize it, see what makes it tick.
Oh, hell. I like the sound effects are still there. As a Genesis, seriously.
Look at this! I took 9 million steps today.
Yeah.
Stay in there and be quiet. How much longer? I can't breathe in here.
Do you have your child in that bag?
No. I mean, yes, it's a child, but it's not mine. It's not your child. Not my body's playing an old ham sandwich.
Oh, at least they did the good look at the end, I suppose. Well, yeah, that looks rubbish. Okay, let's go. I like that they kept the rings on the logo and the ring sound when they do the rings. Yeah, everything else looks kind of rubbish. CGI on Sonic looks bad. Sonic looks bad. Looks tin. It looks bad. But as always with CGI and special effects, you know, it can be touched up. It can be improved. They're gonna really have to improve that. But anyway, yeah, not too impressed. Not too impressed. I did like that they got Jim Carrey at the end in proper Robotnik style. However, I am 165%, quote me, that's going to be the stinger at the end for the sequel. That's what that's going to be. They just showed that as fan service. That's going to be a stinger for the sequel, 100%, which we'll never see because this is going to be crap. I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. Yeah. It's a shame. I was, you know, another crappy video game movie. Anyway, that's it. If you did like this video, hit that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel or like what you see, remember to hit that subscribe button. I do movie reviews, trailer reactions, top 10s, all that. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye bye.